Removing a hot swap M.2 drive assembly. The hot swap M.2 drive assembly replacement procedures for ThinkSystem V4 1U, 2U, and 4U rack servers are identical. The server shown in this video is for demonstration purposes only, and the drive location in your server might be different. Slide the release latch to unlock the handle. Open the handle, hold the handle, and slide the drive assembly out of the drive bay. Disassemble the M.2 interposer from the M.2 drive. Loosen the screw that secures the M.2 drive assembly. Hold the end of the drive assembly and lift it to remove it from the connectors. Remove the M.2 drive assembly. Loosen the 4 screws that secure the M.2 drive to the heatsink. Lift the drive off the drive tray or the heatsink. After removing the drive tray or heatsink, you should see the M.2 FRU number